So I came over here today. Client called me and said that she wasn't getting any hot water. So the first thing I look for is leaks. I've already taken the cover off here, took it down there. That's where you have this is where your thermostat is at, where you can turn it up and down. That's the reset button. She tried hitting the reset button while I was on the phone with her. That didn't work. There's another thermostat down here, and there go the heating element down here. Here's the top heating element. So there's two heating elements that go in there. Okay. So I got my ladder to get up on top because the hot water heater is up on top of the platform. Here's your problem. See how clean that one looks? This union that's down off inside needs to be replaced. Hopefully that's the case. Maybe it can be replaced, maybe it can't. Otherwise, you have to go ahead and get another hot water heater. Especially the age of the hot water heater. If it's been over 7 years, you should go ahead and replace it anyway. See, the water is coming up right here and it's draining off onto the electrical part of it. And it's been doing it for a while, and it's been blowing the breaker at the panel. So the reset button wasn't doing anything. So I'm gonna call my plumber out here. It's nothing that I can do. So just FYI, check all those things every once in a while, just like up under your sink. Check for that water. Check for water in your hot water heater every once in a while in the closet. Thanks for watching.